Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be removing some limonene from a bunch of orange peels. Limonene is present in the peels of all citrus fruits, so any citrus fruit peel can be used. Although I have around 4.8 kilograms of peel here, any quantity will work. To begin, we can use a food processor to grate all of the peels into a pulp. Then we can add it to a large pressure cooker and cover it completely with water. A copper pipe with a PVC condenser built around it was attached to the pot, and the stove was turned on to begin heating the mixture. If this is being done on a smaller scale, a glass distillation apparatus could be used as well. As the mixture begins to boil, the limonene will co-distill with the water, and everything will collect in the large collecting jug. Other essential oils will also co-distill with water, so other plants or materials can be used if a different product is desired. I also show how to isolate anisole from wild fennel seeds in a previous video. After distilling for around 12 hours, there was about 4.5 liters of distillate collected. The limonene that distilled over is insoluble in water and floats on the top in a separate layer. To separate the limonene, the mixture was passed through a separatory funnel in batches. The upper limonene layer was retained and collected in a jar. In total, 57 grams of limonene was obtained. This is used as a flavoring agent, as a precursor in some chemical syntheses, and also as a solvent. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.